Hey guys, it's spring and it's officially time to do tulip festivals, flower festivals. So we're here in Oregon at this farm for its tulip festival. So let's go see some tulips. This tulip farm is called the French Perry Tulip Farm. I got a slushie after the walk in tulips because even though it's 70 in the Pacific Northwest, that's too hot. You get heat stroke. So in farms in the Pacific Northwest, it's apple cider slushies is like the key to keeping cool.
Yes.
Yum. I just went and bought a hand pie. This is a barbecue chicken hand pie from the bakery and a peanut butter chocolate chip cookie. So I can tell the crust, it's homemade. The chicken is a bit dry, but sweet, smoky flavor. Yum. Wow. Buttery, flaky crust. This is good. I have like a love language with like homemade pastry dough. Pie pastry, homemade. I can eat it all day. This is the most interesting part to me, is the bakery farm stand / food grocery store. So I know I want pickles, but I love farm stands like this because this is all like natural, local ingredients. You know, like for this one, big deal salsa. Look at the ingredients. Black bean corn salsa. Cheese sauce. Walla sweet onion barbecue sauce. The one thing I want to get is pickled eggs and pickles. Bloody Mary, dill pickles, habanero dill pickles. So yeah, this is all local. And then they have pastries, pies, all made. They have pan pies. I had the pulled pork and it was pretty good. I want to buy one, but I have so much at home. Berry scone, etc., etc. And they have this little bakery too, with coffee, espresso. Yeah, there's little baked goods too, with the empanadas, and pies, and then ice cream. Yeah, this is the farm store. Oh, they also have meats too. This is a list. But yeah. They have a wall of dressings. Ooh, I'm really just in that wallet onion and honey mustard. But I can't buy it. I'm so much home. I gotta stick to my list and just get pickles.